Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong, coming with you today with another unboxing, unpackaging. I've got four items to open up today and I am so excited. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Let's see, where will I start? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I think I am going to start with the purple package first. And I know where this package is from, and I know what it is, but it's from my girl over at Bling Everything, Bling Bling. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up, and let's see what she sent me today. Now I know what it is, but I don't know what it looks like. So, and every time I get something from her, it's in a purple package. That's her signature packaging. Oh, and it's always wrapped in this beautiful silver wrapping, and it has her label on there, Bling Everything. I hope you can see it. So let's just go ahead and open it up. I will have her information in the description box. Yes, it's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt, and it says, let me get it on the right side. It's fine, I'm fine. And it lists all of the symptoms that, not all, but most of the symptoms with people with MS. And most of these are the ones that I go through. So, and at the bottom it says, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Multiple sclerosis awareness. So it lists all the symptoms that I deal with, and this is perfect for my lives and for my videos that I do on Mondays and Wednesdays. I have a topic that I talk about, that these are symptoms that I go through, but this is the shirt here. Okay, that's shirt number one, and I cannot wait to wear. Oh, it feels so soft too. I cannot wait to wear it. So that's shirt number one. This turned out exactly how I wanted it to turn out. And this is another t-shirt. It says, I'm a MS warrior. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. And look at this, it's all flossy, it's all fly. Look at that. Oh yes, I'm definitely gonna wear this. Oh, this fits me right up my alley. Okay, so that's the first package. And that's from Bling Everything, Bling Bling. Can't help but saying that. Okay. The next package is an Amazon package. And let's get this one open. Yes, I ordered this and I am so ready to try these on. It's the bamboo foot pads. Now what this does, this one is infused with lavender and rose, and it's supposed to help purify. It removes the impurities in your body, and it helps you to sleep. It helps you to sleep. So remember, I did a video about fatigue. It will be up in the box up there, but this one is for improving sleep quality, relieve stress, we all need that, relieve tension and fatigue, promotes healthier circulation, support immune system, reduces foot and body odor, release impurities, and soothe soreness and pain. So this one comes with 20 pieces, and of course you put them on your feet, and it's supposed to draw those things out, and it's supposed to help you. It's infused with lavender and rose, and this was at Amazon, and I paid, this was $14.99, and after I hit the button to order it, the price went up to $19.99, so I got in under the wire. So I got this one for $14.99. And they have different fragrances that do different things. So I cannot wait to try this, and I will do a review on it. So yes, anything that'll help your girls sleep, I will do it. So that was the package there from Amazon. Yay! Okay, this one here in another purple box, and it's not from my girl over at Bling Everything. It says it's all for you. Now I'm gonna tell you a story behind this. You see how the damaged the box is? Okay, so our dear sweet mail carrier, must be someone that's replacing our regular one, put it out on the front, not even on the front porch, left it out on the driveway. And we had a terrible storm over the weekend. So this thing has gotten wet. I don't even know what's in it. I don't know what it looks like. All I know is that once it's opened, if it's damaged, yeah, I'm gonna have to call them back and tell them this is damaged. This is a gift that was given to me. I did not purchase this. And again, I don't know what's in here. So let me open it up here. Ooh, I hope it's not upside down. And it was. We're with you on your health journey is what it says in the end of the box, in the inside of the box. And it came from my healthcare provider. And I guess you'll see it once you see it. Oh, look, they gave us the reusable face mask. Yes, so I got that. This is really neat. They did that. That is so way cool. They gave us a personalized hand sanitizer. I got a big hand sanitizer. Then it gave me a, what is this? Antiseptic. So it's got an antiseptic, and so I have that. And then it gave us, that is so nice of them. They gave us some pain-free wraps. Yes. Then, yeah, it's right in time. We got some cough drops. This is way cool. This, oh, I just ordered one of these and I don't need it anymore. Okay, here we go. Let's keep, God, this is a nice box. Then they gave us some clear spray, Sport 30, broad spectrum SP. Oh, sunscreen. It's nice. And then I have, what is that? Dry eye therapy. They gave us a pharmacy. This keep you from going to the pharmacy. Good idea. Always can use some Band-Aids, especially with me. I'm so clumsy. I'm always burning myself or cutting myself. That's just part of my MS situation, the condition of MS. Chapstick. Always can use some chapstick. And then, what the heck is this? I don't know what this is. What is this? This has no thing on it, so I don't know what this is, but I don't know. This is so weird. I have no idea what this is. I guess I'll find out once I open it, but some kind of little contraption. I have no idea what it is. I'll figure it out, trust and believe. Okay, so then they gave some dental floss. Yes, we can always use it. They gave me a Oral-B toothbrush. This is so cool. I so love them. And then they gave us some personal size toothpaste, Crest. I'm gonna have to start learning to like Crest because I can never find my toothpaste, which is the Extreme Clean by Aquafresh. Then, yeah, they gave us this, the pill organizer. And yeah, even with these, I never remember. Did a video today, guys. Make sure you go back and check that video out. It's linked up there in the top. Memory. Cognitive problems. Yeah, difficulties. this don't even work. I'll talk about that on Wednesday too on my live. Don't forget to come to my live on Wednesday, but please don't forget to go back up there and review the video from yesterday, from Monday. That was October the 12th. I set it as a premiere and I have no idea what happened. It did not premiere, so I love to know that you guys have gone up there to see that video. It was a really good video talking about my cognitive difficulties. So they gave me this, even though it doesn't work for me. And y'all will see that on Wednesday. And last but not least, a thermometer. And I actually just bought a thermometer. Just bought 2 thermometers. One for me, one for him, and then I had one for backup. So they gave us a thermometer. So I thought it was pretty neat. So this is a neat gift. I was not expecting this at all. Awesome sauce. So that concludes that package. And thank goodness, other than the fact that it was banged up, it was left out in the rain all weekend. Well, not all weekend, but what was that? It had to be Saturday because I went to the mailbox on Friday and it was not there. And then we had the horrible storm on Saturday, so it had to be left on Saturday, and they just dropped it. If they would have just went an inch further, it would have been on my front porch and it wouldn't have gotten gotten the rain. So, but they got a lot of good things, so that's pretty neat. So I don't know if any other healthcare providers are doing that, but this is awesome. I have to call my mom and tell her because she got a package too and she didn't know what was in there. She's gonna be very surprised when she finally opened it. She's like me, we don't open packages like we're supposed to. But then they also give you a little pamphlet on how to keep yourself healthy and well during these times, and we know what the times are. And then it has like a little crossword puzzle and stuff like that. This is pretty neat. I was not expecting this at all, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, this won't be in the description box because I am going to say that you have to be one of their customers to get this package. So, but this is pretty neat. I was not expecting this at all. Okay, now for the last box. Oh. How you doing? Couldn't find my scissors. And I keep my crafting scissors in a special place because if I don't, people use it to cut just anything. And those scissors were expensive. So I don't let them use my scissors. And this is a package from Amazon. And I kind of know what this is too, but I'm going to open it and share it with you guys. You guys are my witness that I received it. Other than the fact they took a picture and put it on my front porch. An email, text me. Aha. So, this is my hula hoop. It is a weighted hula hoop. I get to retire my original hula hoop because it's now too big for me since I lost a lot of weight, so it's not very productive. So it is a weighted hula hoop, and wait a minute, it came with a free gift. So let me see if they put my free gift in here. It's supposed to have a free gift. So it's detachable, so you can put it together and take it apart so it saves space, because now mine's don't come, it comes apart, but it's hard to put it back together, and it's just behind my sofa, and you guys can see it when I go live and things like that. So yeah, I don't think they sent me my free gift, so I may have to call them about that. Or maybe they did. They did. So it's weighted, and it comes with the pink, I think that's gray, pink and gray. So you put it together, and then as you lose the weight, of course, you know, you take a link out. So I bought this. This one was $19. $19 with a gift with purchase. And you guys gonna see, so now I have to retire old Sally, and I'm gonna retire her first because you know your girl is not gonna gain weight anymore like that. Okay, and then my gift with purchase is a jump rope. Yes, I'm gonna start that jump roping. But I do have another gift that was sent to me, and I should be getting it in the mail. It's a jump rope that has a tracker on it, so every time it tells you how many skips I do. So I can't wait to use that one. But it came with a free gift, which was a jump rope. Not bad at all. And I cannot wait to put this together, and then I can go ahead and take away and retire old Susie. I'm gonna take a picture of old Susie, and rest in peace, honey, because somebody else can get it. So if anybody wants to get a hula hoop, it's not, we're not gonna talk size, but just hit me up on IG if you think that you can use Nelly, because I call her Susie, Nelly, whatever I call her. But if you think you can use her, give me a call and I'll let you know the how big it is and all that other good stuff. So, guys, that concludes my unboxing for today. I want to thank you so much for joining. Don't forget, in the description box, I will have the t-shirt makers information in there. Also, I'm going to do a review on the foot pads. And that will be in the description box as well. Of course, you'll see the hula hoop once I put it together and start hula hooping like I've been doing, but you'll also see a picture of Susie Nelly that I'm retiring. And then of course, you'll catch me jump roping as well. So thank you again for joining me today. Please review the full video. Leave me a genuine comment. Let me know if you have tried the foot pads before. Let me know what you think. What happened? Did it work? Let me know also if you're a hula hooper, if you want to join me on the hula hoopathon. I do it every year, and this is the time of the year to do it when it's not too hot and not too cold. So let me know if you're interested in doing the hoopathon with me. Also, I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me the genuine comment, thumbs me up, share me out, because sharing is caring. Then go down below, subscribe to the channel, and then go next door and click that notification bell. And I will see you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.